Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick video today around installing a fire extinguisher in the 2020 GT500. As you can see, I'm bundled up. It's actually really cold this morning. Took the car out to a little car meet this morning with a bunch of my friends, and when I came home, my Auto Fanatics fire extinguisher bracket that attaches to the passenger side seat arrived today. This is a simple piece of metal, as you can see right here. Simple piece of metal. It comes with a little adapter towards the end there where it attaches to the seat. And let me kind of show you how I'm going to be doing this. That's my fire extinguisher. It's not really up to code, but I've used it for a number of years. It works well. Try to attach this to this and then install this to my seat. But first we have to remove passenger side, one of the bolts on the passenger side seat, so I can attach that bracket on there. And for that I have to use T55 Torx bit. Now there was this covering that was there. I pried that off with a simple screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to avoid damaging it. And I'm just going to leave that here for right now. Okay, so depending on the fire extinguisher you have and the bracket you have, you're going to have to fasten these to the actual Auto Fanatic bracket that's made here. Which I just did. I just used some fasteners and bolts, and I was able to fasten it pretty tightly here. Let's go over to the car. Unbolt this bolt from the passenger seat that's closest to the center console. The Auto Fanatics bracket comes with a washer here that I would put in here. And I would bolt it up like that. Again, use a T55 Torx bit to tighten that down. And you tighten that piece down, and as you can see, it's not really going anywhere. It's tight. It's not going to make any issues. When I want to take my fire extinguisher out, all I do is do that. Boom. Pretty straightforward, right? And there you are. There's a fire extinguisher bracket. Sit down here. I'm now sitting in the seat. I can move the seat up or back, and because of the way my leg is, it's not, even if I lean it up against the thing, it's not gonna hit the fire extinguisher there. So pretty straightforward. This took me maybe about 5-10 minutes to install. The biggest issue was me finding the fasteners to mount it onto the Auto Fanatics seat bracket there. But all in all, I think it came up pretty well, and I think that's a good safety feature to have, especially when you're tracking a car like this, right? So anyway, I hope you found this video informative. I'll put a link in the description to the Auto Fanatic bracket I use. I don't really know where I got this fire extinguisher from. I actually picked it up at one of the Shelby events maybe 5-7 years ago. So I'm not even sure what model it is, but it's worked for me throughout my racing adventures with multiple cars. So I had the same exact extinguisher installed in my Viper a little while ago, but I figured I'd do the same thing here on the GT500. Anyway, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.